Talk about the state of Manipur and also the state of Assam. The quarantine has been made mandatory here, and both the states have decided to make it mandatory even for air travelers who will be coming into the state from the 25th of May. And meanwhile, today morning, Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren Singh has made a very important declaration. He has made a statement where he has said that those who will be failing to undergo the quarantine will have to face jail if they fail to complete the quarantine procedure. The protocols, the SOPs that has been put in place by the state of Manipur in this regard will have to be strictly followed. Remember, both the states of Manipur and the state of Assam had very less number of cases when it comes to the national context, but with the migrants coming from different parts of the country to back to their home states, the number has seen a very alarming surge. And after that surge, now it has been decided that even if a person comes back to the state by air, even though he will be following all the mandatory checkups that is required in order to commence the air travel, quarantine procedure is mandatory and one will have to strictly undergo the quarantine procedure here. Amrita.
All right, Anirudh, thanks very much for the report. And even if the state of Assam is now going into ruthless sampling and testing that will be done of the people there, as still now almost over 250 cases have been reported coming in from the state of Assam itself. Now let's shift focus to जम्मू, जहां से हमारे साथ गुरसिमरन जुड़ रहे हैं। गुरसिमरन, ईद आने वाली है, कोई रौनक आपको कोई नजर आ रही है बाजारों में? और अगर हम ग्राउंड सिचुएशन की बात करें तो मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स हम देख रहे हैं कि थोड़े डोमेस्टिक ऑपरेशंस फ्लाइट्स के शुरू होने वाले हैं। एयरपोर्ट में वहां क्या मूवमेंट देख पा रहे हैं?
जी बता दें कि जम्मू कश्मीर की अगर बात करें तो इस बार काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिलैक्सेशंस जो हैं जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार की तरफ से दी गई थी। और अगर सरजीवन आपको दिखा पाएँ तो सड़कों पर गाड़ियों के चलने के आप देख सकते हैं, लगातार प्राइवेट व्हीकल्स भी निकल रहे हैं, एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज़ वाले गाड़ियाँ भी निकल रही हैं। और ईद जैसे कि आने वाली है तो उसको लेकर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस जो है वो ज़रूर थोड़ी टाइट की जाएंगी, क्योंकि लोग ज़्यादा तादाद में घरों से बाहर ना निकलें। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात आपने जो की 25 तारीख से यानी कि सोमवार से जब फ्लाइट ऑपरेशन शुरू होंगे तो उसको लेकर जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार बेहद ज़्यादा संजीदा है। जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार की तरफ से 2 सीनियर IAS ऑफिसर्स को जो है वो इंचार्ज बनाया गया है मिटिगेशन एफर्ट्स के लिए। डेडिकेटेड एयरपोर्ट पर वो ऑफिसर्स रहेंगे, जिसमें कि डिवकॉम जम्मू और धीरज गुप्ता IAS दोनों टॉप ऑफिशियल्स शामिल हैं। ये लगातार मॉनिटर करेंगे और सरकार की तरफ से ये कहा गया है कि जो भी फ्लाइट से या वाया रेल आता है उसे 14 दिन के इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्वारंटाइन में जाना ही होगा। यानी कि या तो उसका जब तक टेस्टेड वो नेगेटिव नहीं होता है तब तक वो क्वारंटाइन में रहेगा, अदरवाइज उसे जो है घर भेज दिया जाएगा जब वो नेगेटिव आएगा। लेकिन जिस तरह से जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार प्रोएक्टिव स्टेप्स ले रही है, ये एक और प्रोएक्टिव स्टेप है कि कोई भी व्यक्ति जो ट्रेन के मार्ग से या फिर हवाई जहाज़ के मार्ग से जम्मू आता है या श्रीनगर आएगा तो उसे इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्वारंटाइन 14 दिन के जाना ही होगा। क्योंकि जम्मू कश्मीर सरकार पहले से इस बात को लेकर बेहद वोकल रही है कि जब बाहर से लोग आएंगे तो केसेस बढ़ने का सिलसिला जो है वो एक स्पीड पकड़ लेगा। तो उसको लेकर हर एक स्टेप जो है वो सरकार की तरफ से उठाया जा रहा है। बैक टू स्टूडियोज।
All right, Gursimran, thanks very much for the report. Let me also now go across to Anuj, who's joining us from the national capital. He's at the Lakshmi Nagar area now. Anuj, when it comes to the odd-even formula that has now been applied when it comes to the opening of shops, what are you witnessing, especially in those market areas and the standalone areas in neighborhood and residential areas have been allowed to open up? Till now, are we looking at more clarity on ground?
Well, exactly at this point in time, as I'm reporting from Lakshmi Nagar, first let me give you the sense of the roads also there, as we do understand that the relaxations have been already given. So the buses, the movement of the buses, the movement of auto rickshaw could be clearly seen on the road, whereas the normal rickshaws are also moving on the road. And let me give you the sense of the market when we are talking about odd and even formula. Then you can clearly see, let me give you the sense, this is a shop, this is a mobile shop, and next to this shop, that particular shop is closed. And after leaving one more shop, that is open. So odd and even is being like formulated order and even is like being followed, which is being said by the Delhi Chief Minister that this has to be followed, because we do understand that the relaxation has been given, but everything has to be kept in mind that the social distancing should be there, using of masks should be there. So that's something what we are witnessing from the streets of the national capital. If we talk about the movement of the traffic, if we talk about the opening of the markets, if we talk about the opening of the shop, then everything has to be kept in mind, because we have to keep in mind the numbers, because the numbers are increasing. If we talk about last 24 hours, then this is a great spike which could be said if we talk about the positive cases of the coronavirus. Whereas the situation on the ground level is this, what I'm showing you, the visuals you can clearly see on your screen, that how the movements have been already started and how the buses, how the auto rickshaw, how the normal vehicles are moving. But norms has to be followed. That is being what something which has been said by the Delhi Chief Minister and by the administration of the Delhi. One person on a motorbike, 2 person in the car, 1 person in a private auto or cab. So that's something which need to be followed. Whereas we also do understand that the testing has been increased. ICMR also working on the same. ICMR going to provide the new testing formula and the new testing kits so that a random test could be done. So that's something what we have been told, and the situation on the ground level is this, that the markets are opening now.
Let me also give you a sense. The increased number of cases that have been reported in a span of 24 hours with the ICMR's revised guidelines and more than 1.5 lakh tests happening in a span of 24 hours itself. India has now crossed the 1,25,000 mark in the total number of cases being reported. I thank all our reporters joining in at this point for our live coverage. We'll continue on parts from different parts of the country coming in on the current situation.